Here are the chapter 1.
Question. Find the common difference of the arithmetic progression 1.0, 1.7, 2.4, 3.1, and so on. Answer. Here the sequence 1.0, 1.7, 2.4, 3.1, and so on is an arithmetic progression. That means that a fixed number is added to the immediately preceding term. We have to find the fixed number, that is called the common difference. Here term 1 T1 equal to 1.0, T2 equal to 1.7, T3 equal to 2.4, T4 equal to 3.1. Now T2 minus T1, that is the difference between the two terms, equal to 1.7 minus 1.0 equal to 0.7. Now the difference between the third term and the second term, T3 minus T2 equal to 2.4 minus 1.7 equal to 0.7. We can see that T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2 equal to 0.7. Therefore the common difference is 0.7. Question. Find the common difference of the arithmetic progression 0, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, and so on. Answer. Here we have to find the common difference of the arithmetic progression, that is the given sequence is an arithmetic progression. We can see that the first term T1 equal to 0, T2 equal to 1 by 4, T3 equal to 1 by 2, and so on. The common difference is the fixed number added to the every preceding term. Now we have to find the fixed number. Now let us find the difference between the terms. T2 minus T1 equal to 1 by 4 minus 0 equal to 1 by 4. T3 minus T2 equal to half minus 1 by 4 equal to 1 by 4. We can see that T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2, and so on. Therefore the common difference is 1 by 4. Question. Find common difference of the arithmetic progression 7, 4, 1, minus 2, and so on. Answer. Now we have to find the common difference between the terms. Here the first term T1 equal to 7, second term T2 equal to 4, T3 equal to 1, T4 equal to minus 2, and so on. Now T2 minus T1 equal to 4 minus 7 equal to minus 3. T3 minus T2 equal to 1 minus 4 equal to minus 3. And T4 minus T3 equal to minus 2 minus 1 equal to minus 3, and so on. So we can see that T4 minus T3 equal to T3 minus T2 equal to T2 minus T1, that is equal to minus 3. Therefore the common difference is minus 3. Question. Find the common difference of the arithmetic progression Tn equal to 4n plus 5. Answer. Here the nth term Tn is given, Tn equal to 4n plus 5. With this we can find the first term, second term, third term, and so on. When n is equal to 1, the first term T1 equal to 4 into 1 plus 5 equal to 9. The second term T2 equal to 4 into 2 plus 5 equal to 13. Third term T3 equal to 4 into 3 plus 5 equal to 17. Like this we can find the other terms too. Now we have to find the common difference. So T2 minus T1 equal to 13 minus 9 equal to 4. So we can see that The difference between the terms is 4. That is the common difference.
T2 minus T1 equal to 13 minus 9. 4. T3 minus T2 equal to 17 minus 13, that equal to 4. Therefore, the common difference is 4. What write the next 3 terms? Let us find out the next 3 terms of the series.
Write the next 3 terms of the following sequences: 14, 11, 8, and so on. Answer. Here the first term a equal to 14, the second term is equal to 11, so the common difference is 11 minus 14 equal to minus 3. Here the third term T3 equal to 8. Therefore the fourth term T4 equal to 8 plus the common difference, that is equal to 8 plus minus 3 equal to 5. Fifth term equal to T5 equal to 5 minus 3 equal to 2. Therefore the sixth term T6 equal to 2 minus 3 equal to minus 1. So the next 3 terms are 5, 2, minus 1. Question. Write the next 3 terms of the following sequences: 6, 4.5, 3, and so on. Answer. The given sequence is in arithmetic progression, so there should be common difference between the terms. Now we have to find that common difference. Here T1 equal to 6, T2 equal to 4.5. Therefore the common difference equal to T2 minus T1 equal to 4.5 minus 6 equal to minus 1.5. That is the common difference equal to minus 1.5. Given that T3 equal to 3, therefore the fourth term T4 equal to 3 plus minus 1.5 equal to 1.5. T5 equal to 1.5 minus 1.5 equal to 0. Sixth term T6 equal to 0 plus minus 1.5 equal to minus 1.5. So the next 3 terms are 1.5, 0, minus 1.5. Question. Write the next 3 terms of the following sequences: 22, 29, 36, and so on. Answer. The given sequence is an arithmetic progression. The first term T1 equal to 22, T2 equal to 29. Now we have to find the common difference to find the other 3 terms. The common difference equal to T2 minus T1 equal to 29 minus 22 equal to 7. Given that the third term equal to 36, therefore the fourth term T4 equal to 36 plus 7 equal to 43. Fifth term T5 equal to 43 plus 7 equal to 50. T6 equal to 50 plus 7 equal to 57. So the next 3 terms are 43, 50, 57. Question. Write the next 3 terms of the following sequences: 1, 1.5, 2, and so on. Answer. The given sequence is in arithmetic progression. And the first term T1 equal to 1, second term T2 equal to 1.5. To find the next 3 terms, we have to find the common difference between the terms. Now the common difference D equal to 1.5 minus 1 equal to half. The third term T3 equal to 2. Therefore the fourth term T4 equal to 2 plus half equal to 2.5. T5 equal to 2.5 plus half equal to 3. T6 equal to 3 plus half equal to 3.5. Therefore the next 3 terms are 2.5, 3, 3.5.